In the palm of a hand, resting quietly between history and art, lies a coin that tells a far greater story than its size suggests. The 2017 United States of America Ozark National Scenic Riverways $quarter. At first glance, it may look like just another piece of everyday change. But this quarter is a miniature monument, a traveling museum, and a reminder that America's greatest treasures are not only found in books or libraries, but carved into the living land itself. Released in 2017 as part of the America the Beautiful Quarters program. This coin honors the Ozark National Scenic Riverways in Missouri, the first national park area in the United States created specifically to protect a river system. This is not merely a design choice, it is a declaration that flowing water, wild landscapes, and untouched ecosystems deserve the same reverence as historic buildings and great institutions. The Ozark Riverways quarter carries the familiar obverse portrait of George Washington, based on John Flanagan classic design. The inscription, Liberty, arches above his profile, while, in God we trust, rests to the side, grounding the coin in the enduring values of the nation. The date, 2017, marks the moment this story entered circulation, joining millions of others in pockets, purses, and collections across the country. But it is the reverse of the coin where the magic truly begins. The design transports us deep into the heart of the Missouri Ozarks, where crystal clear spring water flows from limestone hills and time seems to move at the same gentle pace as the current river itself. This is not an imagined wilderness, it is a real place, preserved and protected, now immortalized in metal. At the center of the design stands the iconic Alley Spring and Mill, one of the most recognizable landmarks in the Ozark National Scenic Riverways. The red mill, powered by the natural force of spring water, symbolizes the harmony between human ingenuity and the natural world, a relationship that once defined rural America and still echoes through these valleys. Flowing from the base of the mill is the spring itself, rendered in fine detail to suggest constant motion. The engravers captured the illusion of water in silver and nickel, reminding us that rivers are never still, never owned, and never truly tamed. They flow through generations, just as this quarter flows through the hands of the American people. One of the most striking features of the Ozark Riverways quarter is the wild horse depicted at the river's edge. This powerful image speaks to freedom, endurance, and the untamed spirit of the Ozarks. The horse is not decorative. It represents the feral horses that have roamed these lands for generations. Symbols of resilience and survival. Above the scene, the inscription, Ozark National Scenic Riverways, curves proudly, while Missouri anchors the design below. These words do more than label the coin, they place the Ozarks firmly within the national story, elevating a regional treasure to a symbol of shared heritage. The Ozark National Scenic Riverways itself protects over 130 miles of riverways, primarily the Current River and the Jack's Fork River. These waters are among the clearest and most beautiful in the United States, fed by massive natural springs that have flowed continuously for thousands of years. When Congress established the Ozark National Scenic Riverways in 1964, it marked a turning point in conservation history. For the first time, a river system was protected not just for recreation, but for its natural beauty, ecological importance, and cultural heritage. This quarter quietly carries that revolutionary idea forward. Coins like this one serve as pocket-sized storytellers. Unlike statues or monuments that require travel, this quarter moves freely, crossing state lines and generations, carrying with it a message of preservation and respect for the natural world. For collectors, the 2017 Ozark Riverways quarter holds special significance. It was produced at the Philadelphia and Denver Mints, with additional proof versions struck in San Francisco. Each version tells the same story, but with subtle differences that make every coin unique. For non-collectors, this quarter may have been spent without a second glance. But that is part of its quiet power. Even unnoticed, it fulfilled its mission, placing American landscapes into everyday life, reminding people that beauty and history often pass through our hands unseen. The artistry of the coin reflects a careful balance between realism and symbolism. Every line, from the mill's weathered boards to the flowing water, was engraved with intention, ensuring that the scene would remain clear even after years of circulation. The Ozark Riverways quarter is also a tribute to the communities that once depended on these rivers for survival. Mills like Alley Spring were centers of commerce, communication, and culture, long before highways and modern infrastructure reshaped the land. In a digital age where value often feels abstract, this quarter reminds us of something solid and tangible. It has weight, it has texture, and it has a story rooted in soil, stone, and water. The wild horse on the coin does not look at the viewer, it looks toward the river. This subtle artistic choice reinforces the idea that nature exists on its own terms. Not for display, not for dominance, but for balance. The America the Beautiful Quarters program was designed to educate as much as commemorate. With each release, Americans were invited to learn about national parks they may never visit, but could still appreciate and support through awareness. The Ozark Riverways Quarter stands out within the series because of its emphasis on water. Rivers are lifelines, shaping landscapes, ecosystems, and civilizations, and this coin honors that truth without words, only imagery. Over time, coins wear down, edges soften, details fade. But even in worn condition, the spirit of the Ozarks remains etched into the metal, much like the rivers themselves carve slowly into rock. For young viewers, this quarter can be a gateway into history and geography. A simple question, what is the Ozark Riverways, can open the door to learning about conservation, ecology, and American heritage. For seasoned collectors, it represents a specific chapter in modern U.S. coinage. A moment when artistry and environmental awareness came together in a widely circulated form. For everyone else, it is a reminder that money does not have to be cold or impersonal. Sometimes, it can be poetic. The Ozark National Scenic Riverways Quarter does not shout. It does not demand attention. It simply exists, quiet, steady, and meaningful, much like the rivers it represents. As you hold this coin, you are holding a story of flowing water, human craftsmanship, wild freedom, and national pride, all compressed into a single $quarter. In a world that moves fast, this coin invites us to slow down, to notice the details, and to remember that preservation begins with appreciation. The rivers of the Ozarks will continue to flow long after this coin leaves circulation. But the coin ensures that their story will not be forgotten. This is not just currency. It is a conversation between past and present, between nature and national. The 2017 Ozark National Scenic Riverways $quarter stands as a testament to America's commitment to protecting its natural wonders, not just in law, but in culture. And so, the next time a quarter passes through your hands, take a moment to look closer. You may be holding more than money. You may be holding a river, a mill, a wild horse, and a piece of America itself.